The most important things for longevity. Nutrition. Eat whole food, unprocessed and vegetables, nuts, seeds, fruits. Efficient sleep. It is refresh your body, cells and hormones. Sleep 7 to 9 hours daily is good for your body. Sleep is biological maintenance. Exercise. Move every day. Walk at least 7,000 steps daily. Work out 3 times on a week to strengthen your muscles to stay balanced. Stress management. Social connections. Avoid bad habits. Mental health.